Hi, today we're gonna make beef with Daikon. Daikon is the Chinese white carrot. They like that, and they can some big, some small. But we use about a pound, so we gotta peel them. So like that. All right, then we're gonna cut them uh, pieces. So we probably cut it like that, like that. Okay, so you got this ready, and we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna cook with some gingers and some ant seed, and the stick. We have to cook the stick first. The stick we're gonna cook it first, and all you have to do is just put some little oil into it. This is the ribeye steak. You can use a New York steak or use tenderloin steak or any kind sirloin steak. Up to you. So, okay, and you're gonna put that stick in it. We're gonna cook the steak first because the daikon take a longer time to cook. Okay, then we're gonna put some black pepper in it. And some salt. So it's ready. This is about medium. So we put it on the side first. And we're gonna start cooking that. We're gonna put the gingers in it. And a couple of those ant seeds. The ant seed here. Just one. A couple small one and one big one. So. You don't need to put that many in it. Okay, then we put the onions in it. And now we're gonna put the daikon in it. So we're gonna put little salt in it. Little black pepper. And a couple, three cherry cooking wine. And we're gonna get a cup, about 2 cups of water, and we're gonna cover it up for check it 20 minutes. Okay, that daikon are almost ready, so we're gonna cut the steak pieces. Cut it in about small pieces, like that. Like that. Okay, if we check on this, it should be ready. So you can see them 20 minutes, and you can check it with a fork. Like you can go in, you see, you can go in easy. You can go through easy, real soft. So you put 1 tablespoon tablespoon of sugar cane sugar in it. And 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce. Chili bean sauce. And one and a half oyster sauce. 1 and a half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay, after that, and we're gonna put everything in it. Like that. Okay, we cook. I think it's still good. You know that the beef is still kind of medium done. You know. So. Okay. Okay, this is the beef steak with Daikon.